Greetings. This is Joanne Richards-Goff, Editor-in-Chief of the KW magazine, Crucial Connections in Faith and Culture. The magazine is designed to facilitate conversations about worship and cultural identity among Christ followers on the African continent and in her diasporas. Our aim is to get to know ourselves better, to get to know each other better, and ultimately to build deeper, more authentic relationships with our Creator, Yahweh.
Say he that has an ear, make him hear. So the soul them will hear this, let up beware. Cause the judgments are come and I need them here. So make we talk the things clear. Say him will have a pen, make him rise. And no other things, say we write them things to spite. Them things that we write down to change your life and make your candlelight rise.
Together with our publishers, Select Arrow Publishing, we are excitedly working on the 4th issue of our magazine under the theme Reparation, Reconciliation, and Reggae Ambassadors around the world. You can view our magazine on icu.com, but for future updates, sign up on our Facebook page, KW Magazine, Crucial Connections in Faith and Culture. KW is short for Come Make We Worship. Each issue of the magazine has a story for children, a health feature, music scores, a devotional article, poems, testimonials and testimonies, and interviews with leaders in culture, worship, and the arts from Jamaica and the Caribbean, the US, the UK, and the African continent. I always look forward to responses to our Vox Pop. Our most viewed or shared issue to date has been the one on Marcus Garvey and the church. And there are also opportunities for you to advertise in the publication. Just contact us at comemakeweworship@gmail.com or by WhatsApp at 876-820-0258. Come, make we worship.
Come make we worship him. Come make we worship him.